and welcome to the Opportunity Zone channel. I'm Eleanor Curry, a real estate attorney and commercial real estate broker, and I'm here sharing the who, what, why, where, and how of Opportunity Zone investing so you can assess if it's a good fit for you and your investment portfolio and really take advantage of some of the major tax savings that come with long-term investments in Opportunity Zones. So I'm here sharing what I think is one of the biggest advantages of Opportunity Zones, and that is opening up the conversation to pool your investment with other investors. Yes, you can be an Opportunity Zone investor, but chances are your ability to do it by itself is pretty risky. Why? Because a lot of the tax advantages require long-term investments. The money, the cash, the appreciation has to sit there for 5, 7, even 10 years for you to get the full benefit of Opportunity Zone investing. And the best way to get that under your belt is to kind of spread the risk. So by pooling your funds with other investors, you're able not only to invest in bigger projects, but you also get to spread the risk so you're not parking money in investments for 5, 17 years with that is not your typical investment strategy. So yes, we want to spread the risk and pool investors, and the conversation is right when it comes to Opportunity Zones because lots of people are interested in diversifying their portfolio, but also getting some good tax savings. So when we talk about getting an appreciation, your capital gains appreciations completely erased, that gets people pretty excited. Now you got the conversation going. Might as well get it going on a serious tip and get other investors interested in your projects. So I think the first way to do that is kind of get a scan of who you know and who might be interested. Perhaps you are in a group of other investors and they have some recent capital gains that they're looking to reinvest. Something similar to 1031 exchange, but a little different because in your Opportunity Zone fund, you get these tax savings that are really monumental if it's a long-term strategy you have. The second thing I think people were concerned about when they first began to discuss this with other investors is the regulations were a mystery. People were concerned that it would bite them in the butt later. And although that concern has not completely dissipated, the IRS is certainly rolling out more and more restrictions, more and more of the guidelines to the regulations, so we can understand exactly how it works, exactly how these deadlines work, and at what point can you assess if it's a good fit for you, considering the December 31st, 2026 deadline. So making sure you have an open floor with investors to see what their strategy is, to see if you have a project that fits, and even if you don't have something set in stone, I think putting it together on how it would look, especially if you're talking to small investors, perhaps reaching out to 100 people you know who are willing to invest $5,000, they can see your return and get tax savings. You're cooking with oil now and getting people interested, motivated, and willing to invest in your Opportunity Zone fund. So perhaps start by starting your fund, kind of sharing what your vision is, talking about some of the areas you would like to target, because the purpose of this, let's not forget, is to invest in economically disadvantaged areas. So this can get people excited. You're really trying to make a difference in certain areas that may seem dilapidated or ignored right now. You and your team can go back to your own neighborhood, perhaps, go out to neighborhoods that you pass by every day and your heart goes out to, and make a big impact as far as investing dollars, cash. Cash is king, so investing these dollars into these areas. So it's something that you can use to get people excited, especially if you've already done the legwork of setting up your funds and having a presentation as far as what your goal is for what you want to invest in. So that's my tip today on investing in Opportunity Zones and discovering if it's a good way for you to spend your investment dollars. Tune in every week as we discuss Opportunity Zones, and make sure to like, share, and follow us on our YouTube channel. Thanks.